Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, you might be checking out TaskEarn, and maybe you're wondering, can you really get paid to do short tasks online? Is this legit? Is this a big waste of time? Let's check it all out, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different methods to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, all right? Some of them are great, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, big waste of time. Let's check out whether TaskEarn is a good way or a bad way to make money online. Now, if you come to this website right here, it looks pretty clean and very nice. Honestly, there's a 1-minute clip that shows you exactly how you can just opt in and start making money with this particular website. You can see here you create an account, you follow the simple instructions, and then you receive payments directly into your account. It's that easy, okay? There's a little review video of people saying that they've made money here, some other testimonials right here. And then it just shows you, how are the different ways that you can actually withdraw, okay? Now, before I actually jump in to show this to you, I just want to let you know that I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different types of websites that look exactly like this, okay? Now, this type of website is called a GPT website, get paid to do something. Now, most of the time with these kinds of websites, you would either fill out surveys, you would download offers like free trials and video games and things like that, or you would watch ads, all right? And for the amount of time that you're putting in, they're gonna pay you a little bit of money for actually working with third-party suppliers and vendors in order to help them to generate a little bit of money that way. And then they'll just pay you a little bit for your time, okay, for taking the surveys and playing the games and things like that, all right? Now, a lot of these websites don't pay you that much money. If you spend 2 to 3 hours a day on a GPT website, you'll only earn roughly between $1 and $2, okay? So it's not a lot of money, it's just a little bit of money. So I want to preface that first before we jump in, because this website has some stuff that looks super dodgy, all right? Even though it has been executed very well, okay? They're getting better and better at making these look like legitimate websites, but there are a lot of red flags on this site, and I'll show you them in a second, okay? So I'm going to log in here. It's actually very easy. If you just come here, you create login. It's going to ask you to create a free account, your name, your username, email, and password, okay? Now, when you first log in, it's going to look like this. And the first few things that you can do is you can test apps, and you can withdraw your earnings and gift cards. And we're going to go through all of this in a second, right? Now, the first thing that I think is a red flag, and again, this may not seem like a red flag if you don't have the experience, but I've been doing this for a long time. I've reviewed many, many, many different make money online style products and websites and GPT sites especially, right? And with this one, what they want to do is they want to try to get you to refer people on social media. That's how you probably found out about TaskEarn in the first place, right? So maybe somebody copied this, right? And they shared it online, right? On Facebook or Instagram or whatever, Reddit, it doesn't matter. And it leads people back to the TaskEarn website, right? Now, what they say is that if you share this, okay, for every single person that clicks on your link, they're going to pay you 10 cents. Okay, now I want you to think about this logically for a second, right? Now, 10 cents doesn't seem like a lot of money, but if you're running a business like TaskEarn is supposed to be, quote unquote, running a business, if you get people to click on your link, even if they don't do anything at all, they're just clicking on your link, right? They're not opting in, they're not spending any money, they're not clicking on ads, nothing like that. They're supposed to be paying you 10 cents for that click. Now, when you look at a business model, it doesn't make sense for them to do that. Okay, because there are many, many ways that you can fake this, and you can get fake people, fake robots to click on a link. So this company, if they really did pay out 10 cents just for a click, they would go out of business very, very fast. Okay, so that is already a red flag in and of itself, right? Now, the second red flag is it says, now, if somebody clicks on it and they sign up, you're going to earn another $2 from TaskEarn. Now, that also doesn't make sense. That's a massive red flag, okay? Because with a lot of other legitimate referral programs in the GPT space, right? Yes, you can earn a little bit of money from referral programs, but most of the time you have to do something, right? So it's not just about clicking on the link and then just signing up for free and then they're going to pay you money. It doesn't make sense because, again, they're going to go out of business really, really quickly, right? With this, a lot of the time they pay you very little, and you're required to do something, as in the person you refer is required to do something before they pay you a little bit of referral fee money. And it's never as easy as just clicking on a link and signing up for free. Okay, so this right here, massive red flag. This is not industry standard. And even if you're thinking like, well, Aaron, isn't it, is it possible that this company is going above and beyond industry standard? No, because this particular model does not make sense. It doesn't make business sense. They can't make money this way. All right, it's certainly not from the way that the website is set up, and I'm going to show you and prove this to you in a second. Okay, so this right here, two massive red flags. Already just looking at this, I know that this already doesn't look like a legit thing. Okay, now if I scroll down, and this is another massive red flag, right? It says here that you can withdraw up to $5,000 per day. This is massive red flag number 3, okay? A GPT site will never, a legitimate one, will never tell you that you can withdraw up to that much per day. The only reason why this is here is to entice you, to make you think that you can earn thousands of dollars a day with this particular website. Okay, so first of all, with this particular type of business model, it is impossible for you to earn thousands of dollars a day. The most you can earn is a couple of dollars a day. Even if you spent 10 hours on this website and it was legitimate, maybe you might make $5, maybe $6, $7, okay? But nothing more than that, all right? Because of the way that it's structured, okay? So this right here, huge red flag. It is impossible to make even hundreds of dollars a day with a GPT website. I know because I've reviewed so many of them now. Industry standard, the really legitimate ones, a few dollars a day is the maximum, okay? Now, let's actually take a look at the offers themselves. What are you supposed to do, right? So it says that the main thing you can do is test apps, right? So if I click on this right here, it takes me to an offer, all right? But here's the weird thing, okay? Now, with a lot of legitimate GPT websites, when you test something or you download an offer, it's basically an entire offer wall. That means that there's a huge wall and you can pick, as many as you want. There'll be like 20, 30, 40 different apps that you can test. You can download the offers and things like that. With TaskEarn, which is very weird, is literally just this one thing right here. It's this PlayStation offer. Okay, now if I click it, it's going to do a whole bunch of really dodgy stuff. Okay, it's going to take me to some weird websites, sweepstakes websites, where you like click on it, it spins, you're supposed to win. You never win any of this, okay, by the way. And then it takes me to this weird dodgy little game right here, right? All of these, by the way, okay, so it didn't work very well, okay? All of these, by the way, just so that you know, are ads that will pay this company TaskEarn money, okay? They're running these ads because I'm actually taking a look at it, right? But you're not going to make any money from it, okay? So I'm just going to go back just to show you. And that actually is already a red flag for me, right? It may not look like a red flag for you because maybe you're brand new to these kind of websites, but I've seen so many of these, hundreds, that I know that if it's legitimate, they wouldn't structure it like this because it doesn't make them much money. Okay, a legitimate GPT website would list all of the different offers, like 30 of them, 40 of them. You can go through them, you can pick a game, you can download it, actually play with it. With this one, it doesn't make sense. They're showing you some weird sweepstake. It's only one, and it doesn't maximize the amount of money that they can earn. Okay, and it doesn't even work properly, right? It sent me to some weird dodgy little game, and then the PlayStation one was running halfway, and then it kind of ended, so it doesn't even work properly anyway. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Okay, that's it. That's all the website offers. Now, if I click on rewards here, right, instead of bringing me to a reward site, it brings me to this weird Amazon spin to win thing, another kind of sweepstake thing. Again, right? It's designed to make TaskEarn money, but it's not going to make you any money. Okay, now let's actually try and withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to go to dashboard, and I'm going to show you this in a second, right? So if I go to withdraw my money, right here. Here is another red flag that I want to show you, okay? Now, it says here, in order for me to withdraw, I have to refer at least 2 people. I don't know if you can see that right there, okay, in the corner. Now, every single website that I have reviewed that requires you to refer other people before you can withdraw your money has turned out to be a scam website. Okay, because a legitimate GPT website will never require you to refer other people before they will pay you for the tasks that you complete on the website. I want to be very, very clear with that, right? And the reason why these guys require you to refer people is because this is how they make money. They want people to spread the word about TaskEarn as much as possible, get people onto their website, and then the way that they make money is one of two ways, okay? Either they are selling your private data, because remember, to get access to TaskEarn, you need to sign up here, okay? So you need to come here, you need to start earning money, and they will ask you to register. Right? So they need your username, your email, your password, and then you can register. All right. Now, all of this information is very valuable. They can sell it on the black market for some money, and then they may also make a little bit of money for you testing the apps and looking at these ads and those weird ads that you saw just now, right? That's how they make money. All right. But these are all just smoke and mirrors to make it seem like it's a legitimate website. But any legitimate GPT website will never require you to refer other people before you can withdraw the money that they already owed you, because you already did the task. You downloaded the games, you filled out the surveys, you tested the app or whatever, right? And here's the other weird thing, okay? If you come to the front of TaskEarn, if you actually read this properly, they will say that they pay you between $50 and $100 to actually test an app. All right. But the thing is, when you actually go into the website, there is nowhere for you to actually test an app, because this right here, when you come into test apps, right, and it shows you this right here, this is not testing an app. This is a sweepstake. This is an ad, right? So they're telling you that you're testing an app, but you're not really actually testing an app. You're just going through a sweepstake, or you're just looking at an ad that leads you to some random gaming website, right? So again, smoke and mirrors. It's not real. Too many red flags right here. I've done this for a long time, and I can tell you that if you come to TaskEarn, you're just going to be wasting your time. This is what they're probably going to do, okay? With this one, once you get to, once you've made a little bit of money and you can actually start to withdraw, what they'll do is they will say, oh, if you want to withdraw, you're going to have to refer 5 more people or 10 more people, and they're going to keep changing the goalpost, and they will never actually pay you out any money, because there's no money to really be made on this website. Now, the thing about this is this website actually looks pretty good. It's one of the nicer looking fake GPT websites out there. All right. They're getting better at this, but I can tell that this is just not a real website. And if you come here, you'll be absolutely wasting your time. Okay. What I would recommend is, if you want to do a GPT website, you should just come to this one right here. This is one of the best ones that I've reviewed. It's called freecash.com. This is a real website. This website, if you spend 2, 3, 4 hours a day, you could earn about $5, maybe $7 on this website. It's pretty good for a GPT website, but I still think that a GPT website is a little bit of a waste of time, because you're spending an excessive amount of time on the website, hours and hours and hours every day, to make actually very, very little money. All right. And I know this because I have, been in business online for many, many years. I've reviewed so many different styles of business online, and I'm all about leverage. Okay. If you want to make money on the internet, you should be able to create leverage. You shouldn't have to trade your time for money, if that makes sense. Okay, so first of all, TaskEarn, I think too many red flags is a complete waste of time. I would stay away from them. If you really want to do a GPT website, you can check out something like Freecash. Okay, and these guys are at least legit, right? You will get paid for the time that you spend here, right? Now, if you're watching this video right now and you're looking for a way to make big money, again, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds of different strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for me, the one that makes the most sense to leverage your time, create automation, make a lot of money online, right, is a very particular strategy. After I reviewed so many, different strategies and invested a lot of my own money into it. If you want to check out the strategy that allowed me to generate up to over $2 million online, I work full-time from home because of this strategy. I quit my full-time job in 2019. I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do this step by step. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and you can check it out if you would like. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of TaskEarn today. All the best to you. Be careful with this website right here. This one is just a waste of time. All right. And I hope to see you on the next review video very soon. Take care.